What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I found two new dividend stocks never even heard of. And you're going to say to yourself, who the hell are these guys? How come I never heard about them? I got two of them that I own. Actually, three of them that I'm long on. I'm going to go over that. And these are ones I haven't went over in a long time. So a lot of you guys that are new that are following my channel, I never really discussed these ones since you're a little bit new. But going back to my previous videos, I did really emphasize these dividend stocks. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. These things are free for you guys. I mean, I do this for you guys as dividend investors. I show you what's hot out there. I show you what's on my mind. I don't have a Patreon account. I don't charge you. This is what it's all about. So make sure you smash that like button every time you watch these videos because I'll start producing more. I'm going to try to get, again, it's going to start getting busy for me, 4 videos a week. So you got to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So let's check these stocks out right now. That first stock is Unilever. Now, a lot of you guys are maybe might be new to Unilever, but if you go in the store, you see Axe right here. This is a very popular product, or Suave, like what I use. I like Unilever products. I think some of them are very cheap and affordable, and they actually smell good, which is another thing. And they have a PE ratio 22.78, dividend yield of 3.68. Year range is 51.98 to 63.89. But what I like about these guys is a company is a lot of their products are in demand. So here's just some things. Axe, they have Dove, they have Knorr, they have Lipton, which is very well diversified. Hellman's, I mean, they're well diversified. Pure Leaf, Sunlight. I mean, they have food products, and they have, look at this, Ben and Jerry's. They're just, it's amazing how well diversified they are. They got food, they got, stuff for health and beauty. I mean, they're just so well diversified as a company. Klondike bars, I mean, how popular is that at the stores? These are just some things. Q-tips, Unilever Pure, Popsicle. I mean, I'm just going through a few of them. Skip, Suave, right here. Right here, I love these guys. Products. That's body wash. What flavor is it? That Ocean Breeze. I like that one. It's VO5. That's another thing that's for like shampoo. I mean, there's a lot of things that they have out there, and I didn't even know that those guys own that. So let's just jump to their dividend history. Look at these slow increases right here. 30s, 40s. Cracked 50 at one point. Now it's in the high 40s and 40 cents. So it's 54.86 with a 3.66% dividend yield. Annual dividend is $1.99 for right now. But they're slowly trending up, and that's what makes them a popular dividend stock. And I'm long in these guys. I have them on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. This is a company that's in demand. People use their products, whether it's eating or health and beauty, and they ain't going anywhere. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. Who the hell are these guys? And Viva Partners are sitting at $54.38 with a dividend yield of almost 6. High PE ratio, according to this. But the year range was 36.57 to 56.69. And they're the world's largest producer of industrial wood pellets and energy source used to generate electricity and heat. They were founded in 2004 and first located in Richmond, Virginia. Headquarters were transferred to Maryland in 2011. The company conducted the initial public offering in 2015 and is now traded in the NYSE under symbol EVA. It has 5 corporate offices worldwide, operates 9 pellet plants in 6 states of the southeast United States, and employs over 1,000 associates and ships wood pellets worldwide from 5 ports in the United States. Okay, that's attractive, but how much money are they generating? We need to look at this PE ratio as well. But how much money are they generating? So you're noticing its revenue is increasing, which I like. Okay, that's what's very attractive. Now, if you look at this, the total non-operating income expense Sure, it's in the negatives. You can blame the pandemic card, but, you know, we need to look at a few more things. So here's their quarterly growth. It's still a little promising. So you got to look into a little bit more details. Is this a false reading or what's going on? So quarterly, it's going up. Revenue's not bad. Okay. Price ratios. Let's look at this. There's a few more things. Okay. Current historical was from 2014-21. Price and earnings ratio is calculated by taking the latest closing price and divided it by the most recent earnings per share number. The PE ratio is a simple way to assess whether a stock is over or undervalued and the most widely used valuation measure. And Viva Partners ratio is 2,637.00. So what does that tell you? I want you to tell me in the comment section after this video. 2,637. This is one that I found. Revenue is increasing. They're selling pellets. They're generating revenue. You tell me. And this is what makes these guys really interesting. So their quarterly dividend has increased. It's $54.38. A dividend yield of 6.29%. Its dividend has increased significantly, gone up. Okay, there's some things that are very attractive about this company. PE ratio, some people have some high expectations with these guys, and so far I do think this is somewhat in demand. The annual dividend is $3.26. Increasing dividend, high PE ratio. These guys, people have a lot of confidence in these guys. So that's the thing that's really interesting. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. This next one is Compass Minerals International Inc. So it has a 4.64% dividend yield, market cap of 2.12 billion US dollars. Its year range was 54.24 to $72. Now, what do these guys do? I'm going to show you on their website, but I'm just going to go briefly through this. They're the leading producer of minerals, including salt, magnesium chloride, sulfate of potash, and other plant nutrition products. Based in Overland, Kansas, the company provides bulk treatment and untreated highway de-icing salt to customers in the North America and United Kingdom, and plant nutrition products to growers worldwide. Compass Minerals also produces consumer de-icing and water conditioning products, consumer and commercial culinary salt, and other mineral-based products for consumer, agricultural, and industrial applications. In addition, Compass Minerals provides records management and services to businesses throughout the United Kingdom. So the symbol is CMP. Okay, let's check out their website just a little bit to see what they're about. So this is the biggest thing that I find very interesting. They said salt is used in more than 14,000 different ways. Compass Mineral salt is the thick of it. We're the leading salt producer in North America and the UK. Our largest business produces highway de-icing products, rock salt, but Compass Mineral salt also can be found in consumer outlets. That's what makes things interesting. You'll also find that our salt utilized in water care and animal nutrition. It is also used in culinary salt. It might be a surprise, but salt is also in plastics, glass, detergents, rubber, and even polyester. The salt Compass Minerals produces an invaluable element across the world. How much revenue are they generating? That's what we want to see. So it's pretty stagnant, but the thing that's very attractive about these guys, this is in millions of US dollars. I found this one, I find this very interesting. And again, the symbol is CMP. These guys are a little stagnant, but they have a lot of products that are in demand, and their dividend history is very attractive. They have slowly increased their dividend from 60 to 60 cents, to 69 cents to 72. Dividend yield is 4.76%. The annual dividend is 288. So it's not bad. This one's not bad. The other previous two I like better, but this one's on my watch list for sure. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. Welcome to the Dividend King list. Universal Corp, symbol UVV, 47.80 right now, $47.80 with a dividend yield of 6.53%. PE ratio is 13.73. Market cap is 1.17 billion US dollars. They're one of the biggest tobacco merchants. People are going to smoke. People don't care. It's going to it doesn't matter, and I'll show you the revenue. The revenue went a little bit down. Am I concerned about that? No, because people are going to smoke. They don't care. The gross profit is up there. Okay. Went down 2020, 2021. It's up. Revenue is gone up. I'm not too concerned about that. I own these guys and I'm long in them. And I'm going to show you their dividend history because they are a dividend king. 50 cents, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 75, 78 cents. PE ratio 13.74, dividend yield 6.6%, annual dividend 3.12, $3.12 is the other way of saying it. So it's 47.80 and you got a 6.6% dividend yield. How are you not going to capitalize on something like that? I own it and I'm long in it, and I'm going to show you the last dividend stock. Now, Conagra Brands is sitting at $33.19. And if you don't know what Conagra Brands is, just go to the frozen food section. And when you see like you're about to get broccoli or something, flip it over and you'll see the Conagra Brands label. And I'll go over on their website, do a real quick walkthrough. But these are products that you take every day in the store or buy. The dividend yield is 3.77%. PE ratio is 12.47. I own this one. I have it on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Feel very confident with those guys. The symbol is CAG, CAG, CAG. I know a lot of you guys want me to mention the symbols. So we're going to check these guys out on their website. Here's some of their products. Slim Jim, Duncan Hines, Bird's Eye's another one. That's where I get my frozen like broccoli and other stuff like corn and carrots and everything classic with their pickles. You got Hunt's with their tomato sauce. Ready Whip's really good. Duke's, Pam cooking spray. So that's just some of them. And I'm on their and this is their website. Open Pit, Frontera, Bertolli. They're just healthy choice. Ready Whip. They got a lot of stuff. Ranch style beans. Blake's. That's another one. It's another one. Duncan Hines, very popular product. And I'm going to show you their dividend history. 27, 31 cents. It's the highest they've been at ever with a 3.79% dividend yield, annual dividend of 125. I own this one. I'm long in it. I reinvest my dividends on E-Trade. And I'm going to tell you, this is a little difficult doing a video, especially with Unilever. It's like, gosh, where do I want to go? You know, do I want to talk about products like these? Do I want to talk about their food? EVA, so UL is one, EVA, CMP, UVV, CAG, okay?